Alright, Internet, I need your help. I'm working on a Mercruiser 120. It's kind of hard to see. And let me show you what I got. Let me disconnect this real fast. What I have is the positive and negative terminals connected, and most of the motor wiring I left connected, and it seems as though I've got my negative ground here, another ground running up into whatever the main wiring harness is, running around into the back. I'm not messing with this. This is what came out with the controller. Anyway, long story short, let me tell you what's happening. Go ahead and connect the jumper over here, and just to test out that our negative connection is good, you take the positive jumper and you get spark. And then here you got the positive going. And what if I go to the starter relay, sorry, that was the water separator, just right down here at the bottom one. If I connect it, you'll hear the starter spin like mad. The engine isn't cranking over. So, why isn't the engine cranking over? There's a flywheel right there. And there's the starter down here. There's a better focus. So it should be turning, but it's not engaging, and I don't know why. So the solenoid's on top. You got the positive connected. If I just cross the lead over, and you can see the negative over there, gotta keep hitting the fucking separator. God damn it, that was a starter. Alright, here we go. To the solenoid again. But nothing. No cranking. Alright, Internet, help me out.